Hey guys, we're going to learn a little bit about our science on PLP this week. It's about particles, small particles that you cannot see. When you are going through PLP, you will notice that some of the words are blue. What I have done is taken those blue words and put them on these small strips of paper, and I will put them up in our room for when you guys get back in our classroom soon. So it has given us vocab words for matter, atoms, element, molecule, and evaporation. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, so all solids, liquids, and gases. Atoms are the smallest particle of an element that still displays the characteristics of the substance. Element is the basic unit that makes up all matter and is the simplest substance. Molecule is a group of two or more atoms combined to create the smallest unit of a compound. And then evaporation is the process of a liquid, water, becoming water vapor. All right, guys, I'm going to try to give you some visuals to understand the difference between some of our vocabulary words. So the first thing I want to go over is that everything is made of atoms. To try to make it visual for you, we are going to pretend that these beads are atoms. So each of these colors are a different type of atom. So right now we have red, a blue, a white, and an orange. So we have 4 different types of atoms in front of us. If we take these different type of atoms and we group them based on how they are the same, so by their color, we now can call these elements. So an element is something that only contains one type of atom. So this group contains only the blue type of atom. The white group only contains the whites, the red only the red, and the orange only the orange. So an element is something that contains only that same type of atom. When we're talking about elements, this is called our periodic table of elements. There are 118 elements in the world, and this table lists all of them. So we had said that an element is something that only contains one type of atom. So I would like for you to look at these examples that I have. And which ones do you think are an element, and which one do you think is not an element? While you are looking at these, you will notice that this one has all of the blue color on one. This has all of the white color on one. This one has a mixture of colors, which are different types of atoms. The same with this one. These two are red, where this one is orange. So based on this, my top ones are all of my elements. These two elements. However, my bottom ones are considered compounds. A compound contains two or more atoms that are chemically combined. So these compounds have two or more atoms, whereas my elements have only one type of atom. So our colors are what we're basing the type of atom that there are. All of these atoms are the same color. All of these atoms are the same color, whereas down here, my compounds have multiple different colors in one thing.